Hey guys, on today's tutorial we're going to cover all compatible devices with iOS 12. So let's just scroll all the way down. Here in Apple's website we can see all the ones that are compatible. So right here, there we go. And the website's just apple.com to check this out. Anyways, if you guys don't have an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch in this list, it means you cannot install iOS 12 on it, alright? So here goes from all the way back in iPhone 5S, alright? All the way to the newest one, obviously, iPhone XS. And then we have iPads. iPads, yes, iPad minis are compatible. However, you need at least an iPad 2 and up, right? So iPad 2, iPad 3, 4, all those mini ones are all compatible, including iPad Air, Air 2. Anyways, I won't go throughout the whole list, but here they are. All right, if you guys do have an iPad Pro, the first generation, that's still compatible, so you guys are good to go as well. And for iPod Touch, only iPod Touch 6th generation is compatible right now with iOS 12. So, let's say you guys are not 100% sure what you have. You can go to this website, which is also from Apple. So let me just zoom in. Here in checkcoverage.apple.com, you guys can just put in your serial number down here below. Once you put in your serial number and press continue, this will give you information about your device. So it will tell you what it is. So if you guys have an iPad mini, this will tell you which one it is, all right? And again, this is a website from Apple, so it's 100% trustworthy. Now, if you guys are 100% sure that you have one of these things in the list and it's still not letting you download iOS 12, well, don't worry about it. Download on your computer something called iTunes. iTunes is free for both Mac and PC. So yes, if you have a Windows computer, you guys can download iTunes, all right? It's a free program, and from there, you guys can update. So just hook up your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch to your computer, open up iTunes, and from there, you guys are gonna see that you can update it, okay? If it's compatible with iOS 12. So again, just go throughout the list, check out if your iPhone, iPad is in here, and then you guys can update it. Sometimes, yes, there's problems, and that's why you have to hook it up to your computer and use iTunes, but that's really rare actually. Now let's say you guys have an iPad mini 1 and you can't update it to iOS 12. Well, a lot of people resort to jailbreaking. Jailbreaking will not let you install iOS 12, right? Jailbreaking is just different. It opens up almost a new world into your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, all right? So I do recommend it, but it's, it's up to you guys. It's your own risk, but it's not gonna install iOS 12. And some of the apps that you guys might want to install on your device, all right? Those apps that require iOS 12, they might still not work although you jailbreak. So don't have those hopes. However, jailbreaking is pretty cool if you guys have an older iPad or an older iPhone. So go ahead, do it at your own risk. From my own experience, nothing has ever gone wrong with jailbreaking. You just need to know what you're doing. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate.